Hey, Christina Talks here. I was just thinking about some things about our life and the world. And something that recently popped into my head, actually today, was the concept of us living in a simulation. And I've been kind of going back and forth with this concept for like the last few years now. Well, a couple years ago, I was kind of like thinking about it. I'm like, that could be true, but then I forgot about it. Life goes on. You believe different things, but then recently I circled back to that, and I'm thinking that it could possibly be true. I mean, there's been so many times in my life where events and signs and signals happen in a way that is so calculated, so computer-esque that it can't be explained by anything else. It doesn't make any sense. Like the way these things happen in an organic world, these things wouldn't happen like this. And then I was also thinking about the fact that reality is projected from our brains. Like this is literally scientifically proven. Scientists have studied this and proven that reality is projected from our brains. So if reality is projected from our brains, that means that how do we even know that reality exists outside of our brains? Kind of like if a tree fell and no one was there to hear it, did it actually fall? Type of scenario. Like, if reality is projected from our brains, does the absence of our brains garner the absence of reality? But then we have to assume that reality and life goes on without us, like when when we're not here. But it's just like, how do we know that if reality is projected from our brains? I don't know. I was just thinking like, maybe I'll do another video with like more specific evidence. But this is my thoughts. I think we're in a simulation.